Okay, so 3 days ago I made a video saying that Bitcoin Cash was going to be added to Coinbase, and what has happened is that they've added Bitcoin Cash to Coinbase earlier than I thought, which has resulted in more than the price of Bitcoin Cash doubling since I made my video 3 days ago. So, if you want more updates on trend reversals and things of that nature, subscribe to this channel, and share to other people. So here we go. You can now, there's now Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase, and if you'd like to send me some Bitcoin Cash, that is the address you can send it to. As you can see, I have no Bitcoin Cash in my Coinbase account or Bitcoin, because despite the thousands of people who watch my videos in the past couple of months, nobody uses my referral links. Yet I still have emails and people contacting me about advice, yet not making donations or transactions. It's not a complaint, it's just an observation that people are using my information, yet not supporting that channel. It doesn't really matter to me if you support the channel or not. You can do whatever the hell you please. So back to business. So on the daily chart, as you can see, it rose to its previous highs. Then it had whatever you want to call that. That's a 20% pullback. I am still in my position, but I may exit if it is not able to break this psychological barrier. So it does look like it's going to go into a downtrend for the day. Like the momentum is slowing down after a great run. So where do I think it will pull back to? It could pull back here, but it could also pull all the way back down. It could pull all the way down here. That'd be sweet to buy back in again very quickly. But I think down here, 0.14 is more likely. Looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin 4 days pullback. That is really normal. Pulling back to here. There seems to be support here. This is the danger zone around 14,000 area. This is indicating to me the start of a bear market, a winter bear market. How long it could last? 2 weeks. It could last 1 month. We do not know. I'd say hopefully 2 weeks. I'm saying hopefully 2 weeks, and this is the resistance line. And when it breaks through the resistance level, and I think there's a trend reversal, I will make a video update, and please subscribe to this channel, like and share. But however, despite what I just said there about, I believe it's the start of a bear market, our candle, I think there'll be a bounce today. There, went up a bit, down again. Going up nearly $1,000. It doesn't look much, but going up like whatever that is, like $900 in an hour. Think about it. Imagine you bought that, you made $1,000 in an hour. Up, derp, and derp. I think we could have a bounce up today. I do not know how long it lasts. I don't see data to suggest that it's enough to reverse the trend, or it will be any more than a day. But at this moment in time, I was looking at it, trend for the day. And then here we go, EOS. Yeah, EOS. I made gains and losses, and this is really annoying. I made gains in Bitcoin, but I made losses in EOS, unfortunately. But anyway, whatever. Game is to increase my Bitcoin. Has broken through. Has broken through the resistance. I didn't really draw very well, but it's on its way up, and I would say if it goes above this level, it will shoot up because momentum and the volume is increasing. So I'm already in EOS, so my strategy is to I put my stop loss under the 3-hour candle, and there. That's what I suspect. I think you can jump in now, this moment. I think it will burst through that. And what'll be the next thing I'll move into? I think I'm gonna have a look of jumping into yo-yo. Look, a few days of upward movement. There's clearly this top that's having difficulty bouncing through. This is what's trying to get through. That is bouncing off this line. I would love to be able to buy it at that price, but it seems to be moving up. That would be the next thing I'll jump into. So, please, get any questions? Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Live free or die trying. Oh, and if you're a Bitcoin Cash fan, please send me some Bitcoin Cash. Whoop, whoop, whoop.